Hello, Radha.
Hello, Jay.
Yeah, there is one question we hear a lot that how could it be so fast to respond to customer?
Yeah, our headquarters is in Singapore, so close to the global customer, and communication and decision is very quick.
Yeah, all the real execution like redesign, sampling, and manufacturing will be all made in China base.
Yeah, pumps and with China supply chain is super convenient. All material, machining, seal, all are very nearby.
Yeah. Once order or demand is confirmed, we can activate the supply chain immediately in China base.
Yeah, because everything is in one line. Singapore make the decisions and China make the executions.
Yeah. So we understand what you really want, even the speed for its own sake is less downtime.
Yeah.